Hi guys! So today we're doing how we're gonna vlog. Of course, how we're gonna do vlog. How to do another vlog. But
Dali na kami mga kababayan.
what you should do is what in the comments. There's no comments in my comments. And please comment what you're gonna do. Please, in the others video, and there's a comment. Press it. Please. So what we're gonna do? And yeah, let's do it. And 3, 2, 1. There, and I know what we're gonna vlog today. And there's freebies right here. We're gonna guess what is it. I'm gonna show you. You know this. Tell it in the other comments when there's no comments here. And we have a list. This is our list. There's our list. 3, 2, 1. It's my phone. Oh yeah. It's the pencil. Cone. Okay.
So na. Kami lang nga. Doon lang sa'yo.
Toy guys.
Nakatanda. Na. Hello.
Here. At may ka-partner yun guys. Mga kapag may ka-partner. Ito magka-partner ko guys. But here's our markers.
Kung na kaya.
The other markers is gone.
Actually,
I can't find it anywhere. Is the microphone? I'm coming! Ooh, I like that.
Kamusta ikaw?
I like
Kamusta?
that.
Kamusta po?
How with you?
Okay ka na? Hindi na tayo kaya ipigilan.
I'll always be here. You're fine. Right? I'm gonna draw it microphone. Mic.
Ha?
I said mic. 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 Oh yeah, put it.
Hindi
it C or D? I'm gonna tell it C because I love C. Maybe K because that's my name. Of course, you already see that.
Kailangan natin yung interpreter.
I'm not gonna erase it because there's no eraser.
Paul? Paul?
Oh, there's another one. There's a pink one, guys. I forgot the pink. It's my favorite. That's my favorite for a long time.
Dito? Sino edad ni Lola? Hindi nila yung
Look, guys, I drew a heart with
Dito, mangit. Lola.
What's this?
Mangit. Kailan mo?
Is this squishy notebook?
Yugan.
Sorry, guys.
Kailan niya?
There's glitter.
Ante?
Like glitter there.
Ano ante?
I'm sorry. Sorry, guys.
Ganyan.
Squishy notebook.
Patay na po ka. Ano ate?
Notebook.
Ika kami?
Okay, notebook.
Saan yung pinakamaganda dito? Lakot ka. Anong pinakain mo? Ito na. Anong wala itong pagkain? Amotik?
I also buy money. Joke. I didn't buy it. Buy anything.
Ang bayan niya, parang
Let's see what I'm gonna get.
sila yung tama? Nagatay.
It's another squishy.
Taas hindi ba nila yung
Enraged squishy. I do that.
Lamigyan
The tape, bro.
ko nila yung kahoy. Dito, parang ganito. Ganito nila
Let's
dito.
put this photo again and see what is the old before and after.
Pagbiga.
Oh, the pencil. I'm gonna use this marker still. But I'm gonna still put it. Where's the pink marker? Found it all. Toy. And see you next time. And bye bye.
Ganahan daw ng papi.